Emma, please sit with me for a minute. I want to check your bag before we sleep.
Mom, I packed everything, I promise. Clothes, shoes, books, snacks, and my favorite hoodie.
That sounds like everything in your room, Emma.
Dad, Turkey is far. What if I need something and I don't have it?
You don't need your whole room in Turkey. You just need comfort and a happy mood.
I am already happy. I am going to another country.
This trip is special for us. We live in the USA, but seeing another culture is very important.
Will people in Turkey speak English like us?
Some people will, and some people will not. That is part of travel.
What if I say something wrong?
Then you smile. A smile works in every country.
I like that rule. Smile first, talk later. Now tell me honestly, are you excited or nervous? Both. I am excited to see new places, but I am nervous about the long flight.
The flight is long, but we will be together the whole time.
Can I watch movies on the plane?
Yes, many movies.
Then I am not nervous anymore.
Please sleep early. Tomorrow will be very busy.
Okay, Mom. Dad, my seat has a screen.
Yes, you can watch movies, shows, and even play games.
This flight is not scary at all.
Fasten your seatbelt, please.
The clouds look like cotton.
Flying feels magical sometimes. I feel like I am inside a dream.
Dad, the airport looks different here.
Listen, Emma. Can you hear the language? Yes, it sounds beautiful and new.
I feel like I am inside a movie.
Let's get our bags and go to the hotel.
I am tired but happy.
That is the best travel feeling.
Oh, I booked a taxi. It will take us to the hotel.
Is the city far from here? Not far.
Istanbul is very big.
Everything looks new.
Wow, Mom. This hotel room looks very different from our home in the USA.
Yes, the design feels warm and traditional. I really like the colors.
The window view is amazing. You can see the city and some old buildings.
Can I sleep now or can I eat first? I cannot decide.
You are tired, but food will give you energy.
Food always gives me energy.
Let's freshen up and then go out for dinner.
Dad, do people eat late in Turkey?
Yes, many people eat later than we do in America.
I feel very grown-up eating late.
Please wash your hands first.
Mom, even in Turkey, you say the same things.
Mothers are the same everywhere.
Can I wear my hoodie?
Yes, but take a jacket too. The air feels cool here.
Istanbul feels different already.
Wow, this bread is warm and soft.
Turkish bread is very famous.
The kebab smells amazing.
Can I try a small bite?
Oh, wow. This is really good.
Careful, don't eat too fast.
I forgot how to eat slowly.
Travel excitement does that.
Mom, do people in Turkey eat like this every day?
Meals are time for family and friends.
After dinner, we should walk a little.
Turkey is winning my heart with food. Dad, these buildings look so old.
Some of them are hundreds of years old.
That is older than America. I feel small here. Mom, look at that big mosque.
It is very beautiful and peaceful.
People are very quiet inside.
Respect is important in such places.
I will be quiet. Dad, can I take photos?
Yes, but without flash.
Okay. I want to show this to my friends in the USA.
They will be very impressed.
I wish my school friends were here.
Maybe one day.
Travel makes the world feel bigger.
And smaller at the same time.
Wow, Dad, look at the water!
This is the Bosphorus. It separates Europe and Asia.
So, we are on two continents at the same time?
That's amazing! I feel like a real sailor.
Take photos of the bridges.
Be careful, don't drop the camera.
The wind feels strong today.
I feel so free.
moment would never end.
Dad, look at the colors. Spices, scarves. Everything is glowing.
This market is famous. Perfect place for souvenirs.
Emma, choose one small gift for your school friend. I love this little lamp.
Mom, can I get a Turkish doll too?
One thing only. We still have a flight to catch.
Okay. The lamp it is.
Dad, can I taste that Turkish candy?
Wow. So sweet.
The smile rule worked again. Travel really is magical.
That's why we explore.
Turkey was amazing. Oh, I wish we could stay longer.
We made memories we'll never forget.
Travel shows us the world and each other.
I'll never forget this trip.
Neither will we.
Our adventure is just the beginning.